Easy money again in gold today. I had asked you to sell today at 2030 levels and expect it to come towards 2024 as the first target, 2022 2020 as the next target. It has precisely achieved the zone. At the same time, US crude was a buy at 73.6. It has moved towards 74, 74.2 was the first resistance zone, and it has reversed. Now it has again come to the selling levels at 73. So now what to expect from gold and crude oil? First of all, I hope you all profited. And now how to profit with the US session, we will see with the help of chart and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. This is the second update for the day. First update I released with the Asia and Europe session. Let's start first to look into hourly charts. Look at the hourly charts of gold, drop there, retracement, lower highs, and then this reversal has started. It is again trying to find the support at 2020, breaching below which certainly more bearishness will. Yes, 2020 is the next milestone here. Below 2020 is where further bearishness will be seen. If you look at the hourly charts here, see bearishness, a swing candle, and now it is again trying to take a direction, creating lower highs and lower lows. So I will definitely watch out for how it behaves below 2020. Stochastic here is come to oversold levels. This is making a little bit cautious because see the MACD is also at bottom and it is almost running flat. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see there was a flat top here. First of all, a crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average at around 2040, making it a greater resistance. Then a flat top at 2040. Certainly that was the resistance as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session update. Now see it is reversed from the same levels. Now notice these two candles. See almost identically symmetric. Thus this is clear that only buying entry now is about 2030, 2032 zone. Yes, this zone here at rather I will say 2028, 2032 is going to be a greater resistance zone. Beyond these levels only we can say that we may see a little rise, and then see it could be a symmetrical formation here, and from here it could give you the similar rise possibility is there. Thus we have to wait for which direction it takes below. If it drops below 2020, certainly you can say that the bears are back and it is going to fall more. The stochastic is back to oversold levels while MACD is trading bearish here and it is divergent. It is still looking downwards. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, likewise, see after consolidating here for a while, first bearish candle, there is a probability of a second bearish candle, and if it drops below 2020, how far it can go? See, this is the support zone here in between 2010 and 2015. This is going to be the next support levels. Prices might try to achieve those levels before bouncing back. So yes, be cautious at around 2010 2015 zone. Below 2010 is where the bears will be seen and extreme bearishness can be expected. Stochastic has retraced and again looking downwards while MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. It is divergent while the candle size is flat. It suggests that it can continue for a while from here. RSI hitting the bottom, coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour chart, these two candles play an important role after the drop. This is the retracement. Two candles with the flat top suggest that the third candle can be a bearish candle. Yes, I will just wait for it to break below 2020, and then certainly we can say that little more bearishness, but this is certainly a greater support zone between 2010 and 2020, and I will definitely watch out for. If you are selling here at 2020, we have to be very cautious, careful, alert. It has got greater support within this complete zone of 2010 and 2020. Be watchful here. Stochastic again looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. It is still having further more downside. RSI is flat and near to bottom. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See first red candle here, second in making. It has already formed a little wick. Just it has to break below the support levels, below the yesterday's lows, and specifically the 20 period moving average, which is now sitting at around 2018. Thus we have to be alert, be watchful. 2018 could be also one of the support. Taking the support from these levels, stabilizing there, gold can bounce back. Now yes, this could also, because see yesterday's candle was an extreme bearish candle here, and even if this candle be the half of yesterday's candle, it can try to move towards 2010 levels, 20 or 2000 levels as well. Be careful. Yes, it may try to find, first of all, it may try to find the support levels in between 2010 2020, else the next stop is directly going to be 2000. Below 2000 is where further sharper bearishness can be seen. Now before I give you the final trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can visit my page www.forexfunda.com, where you will find the details related to the mentorship batch and my webinar series. We have started a weekly webinar series where every Sunday before the market opens, we discuss what to expect from the markets and I take up your queries live there. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for more details. Now, also on the daily chart, see there is a sharper drop here on the stochastic. While MACD was trading with divergence, it has started to converge. Now, let me show you something on the MACD. I have mentioned this yesterday also, and today again. See here, double top, here, double top. Just wait for it to cross over. Once it crosses over, that signals a little more bearish move for the near future. We have to be watchful, cautious. It is right now just converging, not crossing over. It is just converging here, not crossing over. So we have to wait for the crossover for further bearish move. If today we see a bearish candle, and if the prices falls below 2000 levels, certainly you can say that coming few sessions are further going to be bearish. See, RSI is also dropping vertically. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today 2020 or wait for 2018, 2020 zone. But see, 2018, 2015, 2010 and then 2000. Yes, 4 support levels. 2010, 2020 is a complete stronger support zone, and below that it will directly strike towards 2000 levels. Below 2000, yes, in the coming few sessions also we can see the bearishness prevailing here. Thus, you need to trade with caution. On the downside, greater supports can be expected. On the upside, you can buy here at 20, 30, 32 levels. See, 2028, 2032 is a greater resistance zone. You can buy within this zone and be watchful here, because 2035, 2042 resistances, if it reverses, if it trades about 20, you can say that the gold has turned bullish, and just stay bullish about 2040 levels, and we can expect it to rise again towards 2050 and 2060 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. See, crude oil earlier in the day was a buy at 73.6. It has scaled towards 74, 74.2 zone and has reversed, have erased all the gains here. Now again turning bearish. We have also discussed earlier in the day that below 73, we can look forward to a further drop towards 72.4 and 72 levels. And if it breaks below 72, it is going to see a bear attack towards $70 levels. Right now it has come to 73 levels here. Stochastic is back to oversold. MACD, see, MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI has also reversed and it is looking downward. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at, see, symmetrical formation here, rise towards 74 levels and then a massive reversal. Now massive reversal, it has come to support levels. Once it breaches and stays below 73, certainly more bearishness. Be watchful here because the Bollinger Bands are very nearby, and I will watch out how it behaves at around 72.5, 72.4 zone. If it breaks below this, you can say that crude oil has again decided a direction and we are going to look forward to a major fall. See, lower highs and lower lows, which means $72 levels can be achieved here. Stochastic looking down, MACD is almost flat and at bottom it is trying to trade in green, but not much of divergence is seen here. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, right now within the box, let it leave the box a bit and then more bearishness may prevail. Right now it is still within this zone here, 73, 74. We have to watch out more carefully here. If you see it again staying above 73.6, you can buy again, expect it to reverse completely towards 74, 74.5 and 75 levels. Yes, it stays above 74, 74.2. More bullishness may prevail, which will take it till towards 74.5 and 75. Remember, 75 is the milestone. It needs to break past by in order to confirm a reversal, else it is still trying to trade with the bearishness. The stochastic looking down, MACD is almost flat and staying at the bottom here. RSI is also dropped a bit and trading comfortably near to bottom. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour chart, certainly 73 is a greater support. It has seen a massive bearish candle earlier, where it has reversed completely and has closed at the bottom. This certainly suggests that there is still prevailing bearishness. However, 73 is a greater support. Let's see if it stays above 73.5 levels again, and above those levels we can again initiate a buying position. We can look forward to 74, 74.5 levels. Yes, the 20 period moving average is a little far above 74.5, and only beyond 75 we can say that it is trying to reverse. Stochastic hitting the bottom, MACD is bearish here. RSI is also trading flat near to bottom. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, lower highs are done. It is trying to take a shape, staying below 73. We can look forward to lower lows. 72.4 and 72 are two major support levels here. This is going to be the third and then a swing and then fifth candle in succession. Yes, if it stays below 73, 72.8 levels, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. And thus you can sell here at 73 itself. When the higher price is below 73, you can sell, but then be alert at 72.8. Below 72.8, next target is 72.4 and then 72. It is 72 which it may try to achieve for once before bouncing back. The stochastic is oversold, does a little recovery, but right now it is not showing any signs. MACD is again crossing over here, but trading with very little divergence, and RSI is flat near to bottom. Thus, on the upside, you can buy here at 73.6 levels. Above 73.6, certainly the bulls will try to take. And if it stays above 74, then further bullishness can be seen, which may take it till towards 74.5, 75 levels. Yes, this could be the reversal sign. If it stays above 75, you can say that the prices are reversing and it can fly further. Yes, also one must notice it is still within the box here. It has to come out of the box in order to confirm a breakout. Now, 73, 72.8, 72.4, very, very good support, only below which you can say that the bears are back. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, signals channel and webinar series. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your queries related to trading and services. And yes, you can, if you want to get any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your trading positions or a future prediction you want me to make or want me to analyze something, you can schedule a call with me via visiting my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform is much more to have for. Just visit the page. It has a communities tab as well, along with the economic calendar, the markets data. So do visit this platform and make the most out of it. For any queries related to signals, you can ping me on Telegram or email. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.